Good morning, students. How are you? Ready to begin our socials class? Today we are going to study about dramatic art. Students, this question is important. In this dramatic art, we are also going to study about Bhavai. What is this Bhavai? And so therefore, I want you all to pay attention. This question could be asked in the exam for 3 marks. About Bhavai, the form of dramatic art, was asked in the March exam of 2020. Therefore, be with me and pay attention. Let's begin. Come to the page number 14, dramatic art. Can you see, students? Okay. Presenting sanskar with entertainment is the unique feature of Indian dramatic art. Make a bracket to student. Presenting sanskar with entertainment is the unique feature of Indian dramatic art. Apart from this anchor and funny pair of clowns entertain audience. What do, students? They try to entertain the audience. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known in the field of art. Make a bracket, students, and underline the word Natya Shastra as well as Bharat Muni. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known in the field of art. Students, yesterday we had seen in the Bharatnatyam, when we were studying about the art of dance, we saw that Bharatnatyam, there are 2 books and Natya Shastra is one of the books which is written by Bharat Muni. And so here we are studying about that. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known in the field of art. Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama along with audiovisual aids, this trio holds the capacity to entertain the people of all age group. Students, pay attention, look here. Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance. Underline this, dramatic art, writing of drama as well as the performance of drama with audio and visual aids. That is, we can hear as well as we can see. This trio, that is, these 3 things hold the capacity to entertain the people of all age group. It is not only as an entertainment for the children or only for the adults or only for the senior citizens, but all the age group people. Dramatic art is an amalgamation of all the arts. What is the meaning of amalgamation? Amalgamation meaning the blending, the mixture of all the arts. Describing it, Bharat Muni says, students, can you see? Describing it, Bharat Muni says, there is no book, there is no sculpture, there is no knowledge, there is no deed which is lacking in dramatic art. What does Bharat Muni say? Bharat Muni says that there is no book, no sculpture and no knowledge. There is no deed. Deed means the work which is lacking in dramatic art. Meaning everything is there. There is no lacking. The first drama of Bharat Muni was, students will have to underline, Devasur Sangam, underline that, in Sanskrit literature. So Bharat Muni's first drama was in which language, student? It was in Sanskrit literature. And what was the name of it? Devasur Sangram. Students, Devasur Sangram is the word you have to underline and you will have to remember it. It could be 1 mark question. In Sanskrit literature, we have various well-renowned dramatists. In Sanskrit literature, we have various well-renowned famous dramatists. Bhas is a poet of poets among them. Students, Bhas, you will have to underline and you are asking either in the MCQs or fill in the blank. Bhas is a poet of poets among them. Among all the poets, Bhas was one among them. He has bequeathed us dramas like Karnabhar, Urubhanga, Dhutavakyam based on Mahabharata. Students, underline this word. He has bequeathed us dramas. He has handed over to us, or he has given us the dramas like Karnabhar, Urubhanga and Dhutavakyam. Underline these three on Mahabharata. Whereas Kalidas, the foremost poet, gifted us plays like Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Vikramavarsham and Malvika Agnimitram. These are the names you have to underline. Kalidas, the foremost poet, the famous, the one who was before anyone else, has gifted us the plays like Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Vikramavarsham and Malvika Agnimitram. Apart from above, many dramatists came and enriched the dramatic art of Sanskrit literature. Apart from whom? Students, apart from Bharat Muni, Bhas, Kalidasa, there are other people who also have come and have contributed to the dramatic art, who have enriched the dramatic art of the Sanskrit literature. Now, the name of Jaishankar Sundari is foremost in the dramatic art of Gujarati. Make a bracket to the student. Underline the word Jaishankar Sundari. Besides Amrut Nayak, Bapulal Nayak, Dina Pathak, Jashwant Thakkar, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Ghiwala, etc. are remarkable playwrights. There is a greater contribution of regional and other drama institutions in this field. Students, you will have to remember this name. Who is the foremost dramatist in Gujarati, art of Gujarati? It is Jaishankar Sundari. But students, who is the one describing that there is no books and all? Who has said that? That is Bharat Muni, who has written the book on Natya Shastra. But in Gujarati we have the dramatist is Jaishankar Sundari. Besides that, there have been different dramatists and all, playwrights, and they are Amrut Nayak, Bapulal Nayak, Dina Pathak, Jashwant Thakkar, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Ghiwala, etc. are the remarkable playwrights. Now, students, I want you to remember the answer of this question, Bhavai. So students, as I told you, Bhavai, I want you to remember this because it is 3 marks question which was asked this time in the board exam 2020. Let's see what is it about Bhavai. Script writers have said that Bhavai is emotion-oriented drama. Bhavai is emotion-oriented drama. Underline that. It is special dramatic art that started 700 years ago by Asit Thakkar. Underline that, by Asit Thakkar. That could be your second point. Students, first of all, Bhavai, it is an emotional-oriented drama which have started 700 years ago by Asit Thakkar. This art, which has been providing public education along with entertainment at the economical rate, promoted during Solanki era. Student, it was promoted during the Solanki period, Solanki era, which is that the art of Bhavai. It was also a way of providing education. They tried to give the message, educational message. It is chiefly performed without curtains, with light humor and with the music playing on trumpet. So students, there is a light humor. They try to make the audience laugh. Also, what is there? With the music playing on the trumpet. Music is played on trumpet. Characters disguised in the form of Ramdev, Janda Julan, Kajoda, etc. Now, characters disguised. That is, what is the meaning of disguise? They wear some different costumes and which we are not able to make out. Okay, so they disguise themselves in what? As a Ramdev, Jhanda Jhulan, Kajoda, etc. are the main features of Bhavai. Theme of Bhavai includes protest against social vices. That is, social vices, what is happening, that is the ill practices, the protest against the ill practices. The characters, come to the next page. The characters like Rangla Rangli are used to promote the program like girls' education, save the girl child, etc. Those who perform this Bhavai play trumpet and pray to the goddess by reciting hymn. Students, now, what is that, students? What type of message that they try to give? This program, they try to promote the message on education. And education, that is about the save girl child. Okay? And also, who perform this Bhavai? Those who are performing this Bhavai, they play trumpet and they pray to the goddess by reciting hymn, by singing some hymns. Now, students, you have to, if the question is of 2 marks, then you have to write 6 points. If the question is for 3 marks, all this you have to make it into 9 points. And therefore, students, Bhavai, you saw, it is a emotional oriented drama started by Asit Thakkar. It tries to give educational message. Remember this point, students, you can make it in your own ways. Also, there is a light humor which started during the Solanki era. They perform it without curtains. The characters, they disguise themselves like Ramdev, Jhanda Jhulan, Kajoda. Also, it was the theme which protested against the social vices, the ill practices, those were going on. For example, the characters like Rangla Rangli, they came with a message, that is the girls' education as well as save girl child, girls' education as well as save girl child. Those who performed this Bhavai, what did they do? They played the trumpets as well as they prayed to the goddess by reciting the hymns. Students, this is all about the dramatic form. Now, I do not want to start with the new topic, that is the folk dances of Gujarat. We have the different dances, but it will take a little more time, and so therefore we will start it tomorrow. Have a good day, dear students. I am stopping over here. Do your homework daily. Bye.